Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the IKEA Fado table lamp, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the IKEA Fado table lamp, a power cable, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. First, insert the recommended bulb into the lamp socket and attach the socket assembly inside the lamp body. Secure the base plate by turning it into place, then connect the power cable to the lamp and plug it into a suitable outlet. Finally, switch on the lamp and adjust the lighting according to your preference. Smart features? Create a warm and relaxing atmosphere with soft diffused lighting that provides comfortable illumination for bedrooms, living rooms, and cozy spaces. Featuring a classic globe shape with a clean design, it adds a modern decorative touch that blends easily with different interiors. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your IKEA Fado table lamp. See you in the next one.